Episode 3: The Myth of Control. Most people believe control keeps them safe, that if they plan carefully enough, anticipate enough outcomes, and stay one step ahead, life will hurt them less. It sounds responsible, it sounds mature, but this belief has a cost. People learn early to manage outcomes, to anticipate problems, to prepare for every version of the future. Lists grow longer. Schedules tighten, decisions are weighed again and again. Being careful starts to feel like being safe. The myth of control promises stability. It suggests that uncertainty is a flaw, that unpredictability is a failure of preparation. If something breaks, someone must have missed a step. If things fall apart, someone must not have planned well enough. But life doesn't respond to planning the way we expect. Some things arrive unannounced. Some things leave without warning. Some changes ignore effort entirely. No amount of foresight prevents loss. No checklist guarantees peace. Some people begin to notice a pattern. The moments that matter most are rarely the ones they engineered. They happen in interruptions, in mistakes, in outcomes no one would have chosen in advance. What shaped them wasn't control. It was adaptation. The myth of control doesn't collapse all at once. It loosens when people notice how much energy goes into holding things together, how vigilance becomes exhaustion, how preparation turns into tension, how safety starts to feel like pressure. A quieter truth takes its place. It says, control doesn't eliminate uncertainty, it only changes how you carry it. Peace doesn't come from mastering outcomes. It comes from trusting your ability to respond. When that settles in, something shifts. People still plan, they still care, they still think ahead, but they stop mistaking control for security. It turns out life isn't something to manage perfectly, it's something to meet. And no amount of control replaces the skill of being present when things change.